Jiangsu Minnuo Group Co. Ltd. was established in 1987. The company covers a total area of about 50,000 square meters. It is a high-tech enterprise integrating scientific and technological research and development, innovative production and international trade, specializing in integrated solutions for gas separation, purification, manufacturing, compression and storage. Our company's cumulative export sales exceeded $180 million. All its online transactions amounted to $1.76 billion. Group companies have several project segments: gas equipment, rare gas compressor, precision machinery manufacturing, a manufacturer designated by domestic and foreign governments. One of the group companies specializing in the production of PSA oxygen generators, PSA nitrogen generator, membrane separation for nitrogen production, diaphragm compressor equipment, electrolytic water hydrogen production equipment, cryogenic air separation equipment. We have rich experience in supplying products to domestic and foreign industries, medical industry and charity tenders. We are about to upgrade the intelligent workshop, equip it with robot production, realize industrial automated production, and equip it with experienced technical engineers and skilled frontline workers, as well as an excellent sales team. In the field of gas equipment, we insist on using the world's top brands for our core components. Air compressor, air dryer, absorption dryer adopts Atlas Copco. Molecular seal is Honeywell UOP. The sensor is UK Michel brand. The paint is Denman Hempel and Norwegian Jotun brands. The pneumatic valve is Germany Gemu brand. The solenoid valve is Japanese SMC. The pipes are all made of 304-316 austenitic stainless steel. Electronic components are German Siemens brand. The oxygen purity analyzer is Ireland and TROM brand. Our products are manufactured in strict accordance with international standards. And we have many multinational certificates, such as CE, ISO, TPD, BV, KGS, etc. Meanwhile, at the same time, we have patents for our own products. With precise gas control technology, medical-grade safety standards, high-performance solutions, we serve healthcare organizations, research institutes and industry worldwide. Successfully participated in many large-scale bidding projects in Chile, Saudi Arabia, Peru and other countries, and won the trust of customers and received favorable comments. Indonesian government bidding project, Peruvian hospital cooperation project, oxygen supply equipment for Chilean farms, tender project in Uruguay, large-scale enterprise bidding project in Saudi Arabia, delivery display. In the future, Minnox will continue to practice the strategy of medico-industrial collaborative innovation, realize modular co-production of medical oxygen generators and industrial gas equipment, promote globalization through CMDR and FDA dual certification. We will always be adhering to the integrity, professionalism, innovation, win-win business philosophy, and you work together, common development.